Hi guys, welcome to today's science experiment with tin. This chemistry set contains liquid soap, sodium hydrogen sulfite, tin chloride, zinc, petri dish, battery holder, bottle cap, bottle nozzle, crocodile clip wire, paper clip, pin opener, plastic vial, protective gloves, experiment card, and instructions. Right now we are going to be doing tin hedgehog. Okay.
Step number one.
Step number one. We are going to pour this sodium hydrogen sulfite into this tin chloride.
And you're going to make a tin chloride solution.
Okay. Now we gotta open this up.
Do you need help with that?
Yes. These gloves are adult gloves, so.
Bear with us. We'll be better prepared for the next video with kid gloves.
Yeah. Thank you. Wrong thing.
Do it on the plastic tray, okay? Keep the bottle on the table. That way there's no risk of spilling it.
Wow.
Yep. You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
There we go.
Perfect. Now pour that into the green bottle. Get it all in there.
Now I hear squealing. That's all.
Okay. Nope. Now you got to put this cap on.
Oh yeah. Remember, just push it on.
You got to be careful though. Don't spill that, okay? You need my help to make sure it gets on there all the way. Okay, now put the red cap on.
Yes, we cannot use this white lid again. That's what it says in the instructions.
Make sure it's on there. Is it on there tight?
Okay.
Okay, now you gotta shake the bottle for 20 to 30 seconds. Ready for
Can
the
I do
timer? You can let Claire do it.
Okay.
You were mixing the stuff. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty.
Shake it up. Keep going. Is your arm getting tired? Okay, gonna switch arms.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Alright. Now, what you're gonna do is the plastic vial.
We gotta add it into the plastic vial.
Take the lid off.
Can you do that when I'm taking this out?
And you're only gonna fill it halfway, remember?
And then we gotta add the zinc and wait 15 to 20 minutes.
Yep. No, it's already open, honey. Because that's the fresh cap.
Can you open this, please?
Yeah.
Claire, can I pour it in? You poured it in last time. Okay, then I get to add the zinc.
Halfway, okay?
Halfway. Tell me when to stop it.
Okay. Turn the bottle upright. Turn it upright.
Turn
this bottle up. Alright.
This is the liquid that we have made. Now I'm going to add
sodium chloride?
Yes, this is the sodium chloride
solution. Now you're going to submerge a piece of a more active metal, zinc. Just one pellet.
One pellet.
Okay.
Got that.
And then carefully put it in the bottle. All right.
All right.
We've got a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay. Wait, what? Put the lid on it, and now we're going to do our next experiment.
Put it down.